Hey friends, today we are making a creamy and delicious potato salad. Bring about 2.5 quarts of water to a boil. Peel 8 small to medium potatoes and cut them into bite-sized pieces. This is about 6 to 7 cups. Place your cubed potatoes in a bowl of cold water until ready to use. Roughly chop desired amount of a small yellow onion and 2 green onions, setting the green stems aside for garnish. Finally chop 2 celery sticks. Carefully add your potatoes to the boiling water. Boil potatoes for 10 to 20 minutes, checking to make sure that they are fork tender and not too soft. Next, combine 1 cup of mayonnaise, half a cup of sour cream, 2 tablespoons of yellow mustard, your celery, and onions. Combine ingredients well. To your sauce, add half a teaspoon of smoked paprika, half a teaspoon of onion powder, half teaspoon of garlic powder, half teaspoon of Cajun seasoning, and half teaspoon of dill, and mix. Now we're chopping 7 hard-boiled eggs that we prepared ahead of time. Once potatoes are fork tender, drain and rinse under cold water to stop the cooking process. Set aside and allow to cool completely. Once cooled, add the sauce over the potatoes, then the hard-boiled eggs, and a pinch of salt and pepper to taste. Mix your potato salad by gently folding until well combined. Cover and place in the refrigerator to cool for at least 2 hours or overnight. Grab the stems from your green onion and cut them into pieces for your garnish. When your potato salad has chilled, transfer to a serving dish and top with paprika and your green onion. Now you are ready to serve this amazing side dish. We hope you try this recipe. If you like this video, please consider subscribing. Enjoy!